Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to enable dark mode in Instagram. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press a notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Instagram application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Instagram ID and password. Firstly, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. At your profile page, you can see the three horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on it. You tap in the settings. Under settings, you can see the option of theme. You tap on it. As you can see, there are three options: light, dark and system default. As we are going to enable dark mode, so we will tap on the checkbox of dark. Tap on it. As you can see, dark mode has been enabled. This is how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to enable dark mode in Instagram. Thank you.